Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. A little different kind of vlog today. We're not in any kind of park. We're not at Disney. We're not at Universal.
No.
We're at the Lowe's outlet. Come on in, check it out. So here it is, guys, Lowe's outlet. Actually, Roberta and I were online, and we were saying, hey, let's go to Lowe's, and then I was punching it up. I found this Lowe's outlet, and I have no idea what's in here. So I said, let's go vlog it, because people might be curious. So basically, it's just a big open, like, warehouse. And it has all kinds of things in it. I guess up to 75% off of all kinds of merch. For instance, now 112 was 336. So most of this stuff just looks like it's overstock items. It does not look damaged in any way.
That's nice for outside, huh?
I would imagine some of these were probably displays, maybe in some of the stores, and they've moved them here. 30% off, grills. Let's just walk through the store and see. I want to invite everybody, please take a moment and subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Like I said, we're usually doing theme parks and travel destinations, but sometimes we like to do these kind of vlogs too. All kinds of plumbing. Look at this big shop vac. Let's see if I can get a price on that, because there are a lot of those. So this one's like 50% off. Very neat. And of course, the Lowe's buckets. I remember when I lived up north, I had plenty of those buckets. I used to use them for all kinds of things, especially when I go out in the yard and like pick up rocks and sticks and things. You don't find a lot of rocks in Florida. Roberta, what do you think of the Lowe's outlet?
I'm saying, like, that products look the regular price for me. Like the regular price.
That's a good point. Let's have a look at some products. Yeah, those don't look like...
I don't think of that. It's just like, oh, you need something here.
While you're here.
While you're here, that looks like regular price for me. It doesn't look like...
Yeah, that looks like a regular priced items.
But
the shop vac, for instance, Roberta, 50% off. Generators. Tables. I believe, Roberta, that these were displayed items, some of these, in a lot of the local stores here, and they just bring them in here and they sell them. But it's kind of fun. It's almost kind of like a little adventure to see what you're going to find. They got refrigerators. Some of these are 50% off, guys. Look at that. All kinds. It's just like a big row of refrigerators. So yes, you can see, like, for instance, these are damaged. Absolutely. I'm wondering if I open the door, there's handles inside, maybe? Oh yeah, so you got all your hardware inside. So the hardware is in there. So this isn't bad. Like, if you were here and you had like a vacation home or something like that, and you were trying to furnish it, an Airbnb maybe, things like that, you could come in here and get a lot of appliances. Let me go check with Roberta. Let's see if I can find her through the refrigerator crack in the refrigerator. Where are you, Roberta?
inside here.
Let's go find her. So one of the things that we're trying to do, as I mentioned, we do live in Celebration. We rent. We have a 2-bedroom apartment in Celebration, Florida, but storage, as you know, if you live in an apartment, you have to find areas where you can fit storage, which we do have a nice big laundry room area with shelving. We have our walk-in closet with shelving, but Roberta, there's never enough space.
No.
So sometimes you can find these shelves that might fit in one of the areas, or a closet or the laundry area, where you can utilize. So these are good for garages, though.
Yeah.
Because you can just build it. You can just buy the pieces and then buy all the shelves. Again, this is not a sponsored video. We do all our videos on our own, Roberta. This is just something we decided to do today.
Yeah.
A little bit different. And honestly, honestly, some people might find this to be a boring video, but some people might not. So we ask everybody to please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. I think you get the idea here, but we will highlight a few things as we walk through the store. I would say there are a lot of refrigerators, like mostly all refrigerators. Look at this. Unbelievable. It's just rows and rows of refrigerators. And as I said, this one is actually 75% off, just to give you an idea. I mean, if it had a little dent here and there, I mean, you're probably going to get a dent or a scratch on it. I mean, for a price like this, I'm getting a $3,000 refrigerator for $974. I mean, look at it. And then over here we have a lot of oven range. Tons of them. Let's just get an idea on some of these. If you bear with me, guys, the cold weather here in Florida has given me a cold. Although this video may come out a couple days after I film it. It's been cold here for the last several days. I ended up getting cold. 50% off. That's a gas range there. Tons and tons of ovens. I do see some tools. Let's go have a look at tools. So I do see those big yellow tags that do show a discounted price. Oh, yes. So these are 50% off. Different tools, little levels, some sockets, wrenches. So definitely some tools too. A cool warm humidifier, $10 from $100. Yes. This is like the last chance rack. This is a bird feeder. We're not allowed to have bird feeders at our apartments. We are not allowed to hang out bird feeders, and I do miss, Roberta, I miss not feeding the birds like we did up north.
I miss it.
Yeah.
I miss it.
Hopefully, when we buy a house at some point, we're going to get a bird feeder, man. Little tables. How much are these, anyway? These are kind of neat.
Yeah, I like it.
It's kind of nice. Huh? 40. From 76. Oh, here is one. Actually, those are nice.
Yeah.
That we can have on our patio if we wanted. Don't need it, though. But they are nice. But maybe I do. Not today. And shower heads. They even have some, like, windows. So, Roberta, I would... Yeah, very nice. $27.90. This is bringing back memories of something.
Connecticut.
Yeah, when we built our house
Yes.
in Connecticut. Hang on, I'll talk about it for a minute. I need a little camera time, Roberta. I need some FaceTime. So, when we built our home in Connecticut back in 2011, the year Jake was born, actually when we found out we were going to become parents, we were renting, and we said, it's time to buy a house. It was so cool because we ended up buying the house. Oh, we bought land. We got the builder. We built the house. Just in time for Jake to be born. He was born 1 week after we closed on the house. But the point being is we were in Lowe's, the regular Lowe's all the time, because part of our, we had an expended, what do you want to call it? Like a budget.
Yeah.
Part of our mortgage, and the builder added in, hey, you get
Credit.
it isn't a allotted amount of money. You can go pick out appliances and lighting and things like this. And if you want something that's once you get above that limit, you can just buy it out of your pocket and I'll put it in for you.
Yeah.
Which is kind of cool. So we were at Lowe's all the time, but not the warehouse, which I wish there was a warehouse. But so we picked out different things. It was kind of fun, actually. So this is bringing back some memories, looking at different things, because we upgraded a lot of the lighting and the shower heads and things like that. So pretty fun, huh, Roberta? Bringing back some memories.
Yeah.
And Roberta, we love to tell stories in our vlogs.
Yeah.
We literally were. I remember closing, and the guy was like, "Wow, man, you guys, I think just might have to go to the hospital after you sign these papers."
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
here's the kicker with the story. Hurricane Irene,
Yeah. Jake was 1 week late.
and it's a good thing Jake was late, but there was no power when Jake was born.
Yeah. We had no power.
So actually, it was
He
unfortunate.
He was born the day after the hurricane.
We had no power.
Yeah.
We were in the hospital with power, but we could not get back to our home because the roads and trees were everywhere.
Everywhere.
We ended up having to stay in a hotel.
Yeah.
When we left the hospital, we went directly to a hotel for 3 nights with a newborn baby.
Yeah.
So when people say hurricanes don't affect the Northeast,
Yeah.
yes, they do, because that's a memory. And I said, I'm glad Jake was not a girl, because his middle name would have been Irene. But I remember. And Roberta's mom was with us.
Yeah.
If you follow Medling World and you're a subscriber, I'm sure you can enjoy this story much more because you know who Jake is. And if not, please subscribe. So we love to vlog like this. I think that covers most of it.
Yeah, like this is small section here. Like I don't think like we found like what we're looking for, but now I have an idea what this is about.
What are we actually looking for?
No, just doing a couple of things for the house,
Nothing.
But
nothing
no,
major.
but like, oh, let's go to Lowe's, and I saw like, oh, they have a Lowe's outlet. Let's go check it out.
So more, I think, for bigger items like this.
Yeah.
This would be. I mentioned Roberta. If you had a vacation home here, maybe you bought a vacation home, you needed to put appliances and things like that. So this would be perfect.
Yeah.
But I think now we actually have to go back down the road to the regular Lowe's. But it was fun to be here, guys. I want to thank everybody for watching Medling World. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World. Roberta, I think you wanted to say something there.
No.
No.
It's okay.
And last but not least, see ya.